everyone to my hello Bluetooth. Oh, wait a minute. Guys, look at those fireworks. Look at those fireworks in the distance. I don't know if you can see. Oh my God! They're throwing
Another
nukes.
one.
They're throwing nukes in the air, I think.
Wait, I realized something, Hansham. Hansham, I realized something.
What? What?
Those fireworks are actually coming from Sentosa Beach.
Oh yeah.
Because last time I think when we kaya, I just saw them coming.
Look at those guys, fireworks. Guys, look at those fireworks. Fireworks. Misam, stop it.
Another one also. Oh, so many.
I don't know if you can see, but I'll just help you out. Yeah. Make sure you all enjoy the firework experience. Wait, I should this camera. Oh my God, the fireworks! Look at those fireworks, guys. Look at those fireworks. Well, we all wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. But now let's continue the video. Please stop trying to show me your. Sam, stop! I am about to drop the phone right now.
How?
Whoa! Look at those
You want to
fireworks.
eat it so tasty.
Miss
Chicken
Sam,
leg.
stop!
Mama, so then I can give them chicken.
Look at those fireworks. Those fireworks are crazy, damn.
Because that's cool.
Look at those fireworks. They are busting out smaller ones, I think. Whoa, guys, look. Woo! Even though I'm not part of the fest, I still wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Also, New Year, New Me. Wow. I just wonder when these fireworks are so just, ends or something. Like, I can actually see residents. Are those white color? Oh, they're orange.
Oh.
No way, dude!
But that's like crazy part.
No way!
I think I see an airplane.
What? Oh.
I see an airplane.
No way, guys! Look! The fireworks! No way! There's so many fireworks here. There are so many fireworks.
When's it gonna end? When is it gonna end?
Okay, guys. Everything has ended. So, thank you all for watching today's video and wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!